Today we're going to have a go at making air-filled balloon columns. We're going to make some without structure and others with. To start with, you'll need an air inflator. Today we're using the Premium Balloon Accessories 4 Pro. You need a balloon sizer, a selection of 4 colours of latex balloons, 12-inch, and some 260 modelling balloons. Today we're going to use the Pastel Matte range from Sempertex, and to begin with you'll need to open up your balloon sizer to around 9 inches. At 9 inches the balloons will nestle in nicely together. So begin by taking 2 balloons and overinflate them. So we can overinflate, let some air out and size them to 9 inches. And repeat with the second one. And then you'll just need to tie them into a duplicate. So take the balloons together, cross them over, wrap them around your fingers and tie them into a knot. And then repeat with the other 2. Tie these ones into a duplicate as well. And then bring your 2 duplicates together to form a quad, wrapping the bottom 2 around each other to create your quad. Just going to repeat that again for you. So inflate and reduce to 9 inches. Tie them into a duplicate. Make them into your quad. So again, bring them together, twisting the 2 bottom ones around one another to create your quad. So to build the structure as a base, you'll need a foil weight as well as a 260 modelling balloon. So to begin with, you'll just need to tie your 260 around the collar of the weight. Just tie a couple of knots there to make sure it's nice and secure. Once, twice. There we go. And then take your first cluster. What you need to do is pass the foil weight into the centre of the cluster. So the fringe will be on the top and the concrete underneath. And then just twist a couple of balloons around the collar of the weight just to make sure that it's nice and secure. So now you can see that the concrete is on the base and the fringe and the 260 are on the top. Okay, so then you'll grab your second cluster. You need to keep tension on the 260 whilst you're doing this. So what you'll do is you'll place the colours on top of one another, rotate the same way, about 45 degrees so they nestle inside one another. Nice amount of tension on the 260, and then just pass it with a figure of 8 around. So that's now secure inside there. And then repeat. So grab your second one, same thing again. Take the colours, match them up, and twist. Lots of tension on the 260, and again, nice figure of 8. So you can see there how the structure begins to be created. What I'm going to do is put this on the floor now as I add the others. Same thing applies, match the colours. Wrestling with these now. Match the colours. Lots of tension. Figure of 8. Same thing again, keeping hold of that 260. Match the colours, nestle them in. A figure of 8. And continue to repeat. And the last one. And there you go. That is a completed spiral garland. Okay, so now we've made an air-filled column without any structure. I'm going to show you how to make an air-filled column with structure. So today we're just using a standard lamp stand from any homeware store, and I've attached a 5-inch here on the top just to make sure that the top cluster doesn't pop off. So basically follows the same pattern really. We take a cluster of 4 balloons, we match up the colours as we did previously, putting the lamp stand between 2 of the balloons and then just twisting them together once, twice, and then match the colours up appropriately, and do the same for the second. Match the colours up, making sure that knot is below the 5-inch, and twist them once, twist them twice, and match up the colours. So you'll notice that the top of the stand is nestled between the top cluster, and that allows us to attach a topper such as this one. This is a 24-inch Sempertex Reflex, and what I've done is just attached a 260 loop on the bottom here, so that the topper can nestle in the middle. Take the loop, pass it down a couple of 3 layers within the balloons, and then just pass that loop around one of the balloons, and that will just fix it into the middle there like that. So that's a completed column with a topper. Should you wish to attach a topper to something similar to the one we made previously, you will need to helium fill that just to ensure that the column stays nice and straight and doesn't topple over. So that's 2 very simple spiral garland columns, both air-filled solutions, one without structure and one with